In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom on your computer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to zoom.us/download. This is Zoom's official download page, and using the official website is the best way to make sure you're getting the latest and safest version of the app. Once the page loads, take a moment to look for the desktop installer that matches your computer's operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, choose the Windows 64-bit installer. If you're on a Mac, make sure you select the version that fits your device, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which Mac type you have, you can quickly check that in your system information before downloading. Picking the correct installer is important because it helps Zoom run smoothly and avoids compatibility problems during setup. After you've selected the right version, click the download option and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, the file may appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the setup file to begin the installation. At this stage, your computer will launch the installer and guide you through the setup process. In most cases, this part is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen and let the installer complete the necessary steps. It's a good idea not to close the window or interrupt the process while the installation is running. During installation, your system may ask you to confirm permissions. This is a normal part of installing software and helps your computer verify that you want to allow Zoom to make changes. If prompted, approve the required permissions so the installation can finish properly. On some systems, you may need to enter your device password or use a confirmation method already set up on your computer. Once those permissions are confirmed, Zoom should complete the installation automatically. After that, the app will usually be ready to open right away, and you can move on to signing in or joining a meeting. If the app doesn't open automatically, you can simply find it in your applications folder on Mac or through the Start menu on Windows. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your computer.